I swear it better not have been my rim, man. Please don't be my rim. I can't fucking believe this, bro. She literally just cut me off. Oh my God. Please don't be my damn rim. Please don't be my rim. Please don't be my rim.
Stop it, Simba. Stop it, Simba.
Damn. Definitely my rim. I know y'all see that. Bro, oh my God. Gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. The worst fucking luck, man. Worst luck. Damn, my shit cannot stay new for nothing. Oh my God, bro. Wow. I can't believe that. So, I'm literally at the like 2 streets down. It's a double turn, so it's a 2-lane turn going to the right. She literally tried to, I'm in the far right lane, she's next to me on the left side. She literally tried to cut in front of me, and for me to not literally, and for her to not crash into me, I had to like literally turn to the right mad hard so I can dodge her, and my fucking back rim scratched, literally nipped the curb, bro. Oh my God. I tell you, son, I got the worst luck, bro. It's like people see a nice car and they try to hit you on purpose. I didn't hit the front, did I? That's my main thing. I didn't hit the front, right? Front good? Yeah, the front look good. It's just, fuck, man. Listen, y'all have no idea how pissed I am right now, because she literally tried to, I don't even know what she was trying to do. Like, was she trying to like cut in front of me, or what? I don't know what she was trying to do, but literally, so I didn't hit her, bro. I had to fucking, I had to just turn to the right as hard as possible so she didn't fucking hit the side of my car. And I ended up hitting the damn curb, man. I'm not gonna lie, that shit got me mad as hell right now, y'all. That's fucking unbelievable, bro. Bruh, I cannot keep my car, bro. It's like I can't fucking have nothing nice, bruh. I can't believe this shit, son. I don't know wherever y'all live, but where I'm at, some of the streets are like double turn lanes, where you can turn in the 2 lanes. You can turn right with 2 lanes, or turn left with 2 lanes. And oh my gosh, it got me so mad. I can't even, my bad, yo. I can't even really like, that shit just got me so mad. Like, how do you not see me? I'm right here, you're right on the left of me. How do you not see my car turning? Like, you're literally trying to turn from your lane into my lane, which is the far right lane. Bruh, it makes no sense. Like, how can you not drive? I just don't understand that. Now I gotta go home and find a place that's gonna fix this rim. Just spending unnecessary money, man. Unnecessary money. I still didn't get the rock chip fixed yet because my paint not available. So That supercharger so loud. I ain't gonna lie. I'm glad that just happened. That just made me feel a little bit better about the situation. Literally, this guy turned his whole body. Oh my God, I wish I would have turned my camera around. I gotta still do that reaction video for y'all, but that's just crazy, bro. Like, I don't understand, bro. Like, I guess I can't be, like, I'm mad. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm mad, but at the same time, like, I'm glad she didn't fucking hit me. Then that would have been a worse situation, because if I didn't brake and turn as hard as I could to the right, she would have literally tore off my whole side door and front fender. And I'm mad because I usually got my GoPro running and I didn't have it running this time. Like, from now on, make sure I got it running at all times, bro, because that's just crazy. Like, how do you not see this big purple car? Like, how do you not see me? Man, now I gotta get a wheel fixed because it's somebody that can't fucking drive, and I didn't get the plate or nothing. I was so worried about my rim, I just pulled over to the side as quick as possible because I knew it sounded like I hit the curb, and all I heard was boom, but it sounded like just the tire hit the corner of it and bounced over. But I had a feeling like it was just, there was no way that big tire wasn't catching some of that rim, man. So fucking ran into the damn curb, man. I'm on my way home right now because I don't even want to drive no more, bro. Like, that shit just got me so, like, in a bad mood. I don't even want to drive no more. Like, fucking ridiculous. People don't know how to drive, man. I just don't get how you didn't see this big ass car. Like, this is not no little car. Like, it's a big car. Like, how do you not see this car? It's fucking crazy, bro. Let me show y'all this shit one more time. Can't believe this shit, man. Literally can't believe this, bro. It's like I got the worst luck, son. Look at this shit, yo. Look at that. Look at that curb rash right there, man. It's not that bad, but still, like, damn, why do I have to go through this shit so early? Like, I only had the car for 2 months, y'all. 2 months. Not even a full 2 months. It'll be 2 months on the 13th. Not even a full 2 months. Yeah, I got a fucking dent on the car and curb rash on one of the rims already. Ridiculous. And I'm supposed to be going to a car show this weekend. Look at that shit, man. Crazy. I gotta get my thumbnail. Oh my God. So hopefully it don't cost me too much money to get that fixed, because that's just ridiculous, man. Ridiculous. I know this would kind of come with the car stuff, but damn, bro, like, so early in the game, bro. Let me enjoy my car for a little bit. That's all I'm saying. So I got this mark here. Damn, and my rim's dirty as hell. And so I got this here. Then I got this little baby one right here, which don't look too bad. Come on, bro. Brand new damn car. Getting messed up already. I got a couple rock chips on the hood too, but I'm not too worried about those because those getting fixed as soon as I get my touch-up paint. Wow. Already, man. Tearing up my car. And you already know about this one up here too. This one right here, that gotta get fixed too. That's from, I don't know where that came from. I don't know how that happened, but that gotta get fixed too. It's just like, bro, I can't even enjoy the car without the nonsense. But honestly, I'm just glad she didn't like hit me, because that would have been even worse. Probably would, literally the way she turned so hard, like she was literally trying to T-bone me on purpose. Like, that's how it was. That's how hard she turned, and I literally had to smash on the brakes and turn as and it's crazy because we was only going like 10 miles an hour taking that turn, maybe even less, but literally had to slam on my brakes mad hard not for her to crash into the car. Because I'm telling y'all, she would have literally taken from my door all the way to the front out, just took it completely out. So to avoid her from crashing into me, I literally had to turn as hard as I could, man. That back tire coming around the corner just scraped, just literally a tad bit hit the curb. Damn. I can't get over that. That junk is a sore eye, bruh. I cannot get over it. Now I'm, oh my God. Gonna be at the car show. People gonna be looking at that, man. But it is what it is, man. I'm gonna have to just deal with that. Find somebody to fix it. Drop it off real soon because I need that fixed immediately. I do not want to be driving my car like that. So I'm getting that fixed immediately. That's got to get fixed within a week or so. So, and the crazy part is, bro, I always got my GoPro on, and the day I don't have it on, something happened, bro. Cause I use my GoPro for my dash cam sometimes, cause I hardwire it into the cigarette lighter, so it's running 24/7. And the one day I don't got it going, some stupid junk like that happened. But that's it, man. That's all I got for y'all today, man. That's got me tight. That having a good day and everything, and that just blew my mind, bro. That's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm out. Bad news, y'all. Bad news. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. I'm out, man. Peace.